by putting the eggs in the pot first so you'll know how much water you need to cover them. I have 5 eggs and I'm going to add water to that. And now I'm putting in 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. I've got the heat on medium and I'm going to bring those to a boil. After the eggs begin to boil, I'll set a timer for 4 minutes. And now that they've boiled for 4 minutes, I'm going to remove these from the heat and cover them with a lid and set my timer for 12 minutes. And now the 12 minutes is up. I'm going to go ahead and take this over to the sink and drain about half of this water. And now I'm going to replace the lid and just give these a good shake. Now I'm going to pour some room temperature water so that I can handle these. These are still very hot. If they're too hot, just add a little more cold water. And with almost no effort at all, they come right out of the shell. Of course, you want to rinse these as you normally do. And there you have it. So I'm going to get the rest of these peeled. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you try this, and I'll see you next time.